Hi, it's Antiloquax here again. Today I thought we'd go back to the program we were working on in the first tutorial, and I want to show you how you can use a function that you've created there in another program. So we've got to put in another line here just to stop the program running everything when we import it. So you go if name equals main, and you need to have 2 underscores before and after those words, and we just need to indent this because we're following an if statement. And if I save that now, and if I go across to the directory where I've got this saved, now is to actually import that function. So I can say from maths import get number. Okay, so now I've got that function available to use here, and another thing that happens is that if I start to type that, it'll pop up the doc string that I created, which is another reason why those doc strings are useful. So it tells me what I wrote there, it returns a number that's useful for checking input, it doesn't take any parameters, and I don't have to pass anything to it. So if I do that, it'll just run that function and it'll return the number straight back to me because I'm working at the console. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a new window. I'm going to save this. I'll just save it over that actually. And we're going to call it other operations. And we're mainly going to demonstrate some division operators, because most of the other things are fairly straightforward, but there's a couple of interesting things going on with this. So from maths, same thing again, import get number, do a little print line just so that the user knows what I'm doing. Need a full stop there. Okay, then I can take my 2 variables in, same as before, get number, num2 equals get number, and then I'm just going to go for a couple of sums. Whoops. So, no, that isn't what I wanted to do. Num1. So we use this forward slash for straightforward division. Whoops. Okay. So if you want just the integer part of the division, you do 2 of those divide signs. And then the other one, which is called modulus, we use the % sign. So you might not have seen some of these before. So if I run that program, I've made a mistake. That's because I put my brackets in there, which I shouldn't have done. Hopefully now it's popped up over here. So give me a number, so I'm going to go for 7 and 2. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. The integer part of the division is 3, the remainder is 1. I just want to show you that because that is just a way of actually using a function from another program again rather than rewriting it, and it also just tells you a little bit about the way the computer does maths. Okay, that's all for today. I'll hopefully be back with some more very soon.